delighted to speak to you today. I'm going to talk about the global outlook for Indian sellers. Before I begin, I would like to paint a context of SMB sellers and the opportunities that is in front of them. As you are aware, SMB sellers are the backbone of Indian economy, and they contribute to close to 8% of the GDP, 45% of the manufacturing, and 40% of the total exports. For India to progress and grow, the growth in SMB is essential. The growth in SMB can be aided by expanding their markets, and international opportunities are one significant step towards growth of SMB sellers in India. With the advent of digital platforms, the growth of e-commerce, the potential to develop SMB for exports has increased tremendously. This increase in the opportunity will eventually help India realize its ambitious dream of $5 trillion economy by 2025. Although COVID has impacted our small and medium businesses profoundly, however, they have also provided the opportunity. COVID has accelerated the rate of digitization and has made the world a smaller place. Today, with e-commerce marketplaces, you can sell to the world. For example, eBay provides market access to 190 countries that the SMBs can leverage and sell to the world. With this, there is an immense potential that the SMBs can tap into to sell to the world and also expand and grow their business. What I'm going to do is to talk about some of these pointers of how sellers can sell to the world and adopt e-commerce cross-border trade. Cross-border trade can be the engine of growth for our Indian sellers. Cross-border e-commerce is the most economical way of manufacturers to reach to the world and take local expertise, local product, and innovation to the global markets. According to reports, Indian e-commerce is predicted to grow at 27 CAGR from 2019 to 2024, and this is expected to reach 99 billion by 2024. Along with this, the Honorable Prime Minister has placed forth a target of 400 billion in exports in the current fiscal. However, we have seen that our overall exports is in the range of 260 to 330 billion dollars. For our economy to grow, exports will and need to play a pivotal role. And let me paint a picture of what the potential is and where we are at this point of time for our Indian sellers to export to the world. India is the 5th largest economy. India's share of global trade is 1.16 to 1.17%. According to World Bank, we are the 20th ranked in overall global trade. And our Pioneer report states that India is 9th overall in cross-border e-commerce trade. If you look at the potential versus the actual numbers, we are pretty small. B2C e-commerce exports is significantly opportunity at this point of time where we can grow our overall export pie and also thereby our SMB sellers. With the advent of e-commerce and the growth of B2C brands as well as large manufacturing brands, we need to ensure that we create the environment as well as the ecosystem for individual SMB sellers to sell to the world. What are the growth drivers that we need to focus on? One, it is essential to digitize and automate and integrate the entire e-commerce B2B exports. Namely, one, make sure that we have export clearances for 100% of the product in a digital format, removing paper-based submission and verification of documents, having a separate chapter for e-commerce exports in the FTP, create awareness and infrastructure. When I say awareness not only internally within our key stakeholders such as customs, namely create a 24/7 customs clearance, dedicated lanes for e-commerce clearing and processing, creating a single window clearance for exports of goods to Korea, and increase in awareness and training. Awareness and training for e-commerce exports is very important. Just to quote GJPC, we have close to 500 clusters of manufacturing of gems and jewelry in India, and not more than 4 clusters are now exporting through e-commerce. So there's a huge potential and immense potential that we can look at. The third aspect that we need to do to drive e-commerce growth is on logistics. How do you develop a specialized, low cost and trackable end-to-end solution for our sellers, and waiver of customs clearances for products less than $800, which is the de minimis for most major exporting countries. And the last but not the least, the growth driver is on providing incentives and benefits for our sellers for e-commerce exports, which should be at par of offline exporters, so that they can build and develop their brand for the international market. To summarize, the key growth drivers are going to be digitization and automation. Number 2 is creation of infrastructure and awareness. Number 3 is logistics and process innovation. And last but not the least, incentives and benefits that can help drive sellers to adopt B2C e-commerce for cross-border trade. Let me talk about and give you a flavor of what are the consumer trends that we are seeing in our overseas markets that eBay operates in. I think with pandemic, there's been transformation change in our consumer buying behavior. The opportunity of global e-commerce trade has increased significantly. A lot of new trends have emerged, and we have seen profound influence of buying of our products. There's been a dramatic shift from buying offline to online. Despite markets opening up and pandemic lockdowns getting eased out, you're seeing a lot of consumers continuing to buy online. So there's a significant shift from going to a grocery store or going to the supermarket to buying online, and also buying from different product categories. So what we are seeing is there's a hobbyist fuel demand for products, and new product lines and new product categories are being bought, and consumers are open from buying from sellers from other countries as well. So there's significant acceleration of cross-border trade growth as well. There's increase in emerging markets. There are new markets that have emerged, where not only the major markets like US, UK, Australia, and Germany, but we've seen growth in our seller base and seller sales from other markets coming through as well. And there's an increased effort to make payments processes much more easier, and our partnership with Payoneer has helped us in that endeavor. And the way forward for eBay to simplify CBT sellers in India, what we have been doing is eBay is always constantly expanding the seller base, and also developing the ecosystem for our sellers. Currently, globally, we have close to 19 million sellers who sell close to 1.5 billion listings to over 190 countries. That's a massive scale when you compare it with the Indian market. You're talking about multi-fold market access as well as market opportunity for our Indian sellers. With new products being sold on a daily basis on eBay, especially where we are seeing is emerging categories that we continue to see grow from an India-specific point of view is herbal and wellness product, sporting goods, as well as other emerging products that we have seen in naturopathy, which is very India-made and India-specific products. We are also continuing to see the made in India products succeed, such as auto ancillaries and auto parts. In addition to this, eBay provides an environment where sellers continue to innovate and offer their products to our buyers. We provide insights on what kind of demands are there in specific markets, as well as insights on how to manage the post-transaction customer experience as well. We've created a robust ecosystem where not only you get the marketplace to list the product, but also we have partners for payment processing such as Payoneer. We have third-party logistics service providers who work with us to provide a seamless level playing field. eBay is a pure open marketplace which provides a level playing field for all consumers and sellers, be it large brands or individual SMB sellers, thereby fostering a healthy environment for sellers to sell across both from emerging markets, that is emerging cities for us, as well as established centers like the metros. And we encourage us sellers to continue to dream big. I want to summarize my talk. B2C e-commerce exports can play a crucial role in expanding exports and growing the overall pie for the India's GDP growth. E-commerce exports is an immense opportunity for our sellers to expand their business globally with little or minimal cost. We are just scratching the surface. E-commerce export business from Indian sellers, and hence it's just the beginning. You have not just missed the bus. It's just starting. B2C e-commerce exports is evolving and the ecosystem has been pretty much improving for SMBs to sell to the world. In order for us to realize the true potential for B2C e-commerce exports, we need to, one, digitize, automate and integrate. Two, build infrastructure and create awareness for B2C e-commerce exports. Three, build logistics infrastructure and processes to compete with global sellers. And last but not the least, provide incentives and benefits. Consumer trends are changing. They are even more open for transacting globally, and B2C e-commerce exports are here to stay. I would invite each one of you and all the SMBs out there to come participate in the $100 billion eBay opportunity, where eBay provides market access to 190 countries and 154 million buyers across the world. Come sell on eBay today and realize the true cross-border potential for your business. With this, I conclude. Thank you very much.